will be free-video-footage.com, free-video-footage.com. The fourth one is www.pixabay.com. The fourth one is www.fidizi.com. The fifth one is www.misskit.co. And the fifth one is lifeoffeeds.com. So that is the first method on how to do it. Just go to your Google, to your Chrome, type the website and download the video. But another method that I will be teaching us on how to can get stock video and how you can reduce the size. Then if you have downloaded the video and you see that the video has a lot of megabyte or much of space, then you can just go to your Video Panda. I'll be teaching us how to use the Video Panda. Just go to your Play Store, go and download Video Panda and come to this Video Panda to reduce the size of the file size. Can you see this one video? I want to look for the one that has, like this one, it has a 16 megabyte. If you want to reduce this, you just come to this Video Panda. If you click on the video, it will take you to all your video, and after going there, you click on this Video Panda, the one that you wanted to reduce, then you go to next. If you have downloaded your stock video and you see that it has a higher space or higher megabyte, then you have to reduce it. After that, you come to this place, you click on the video, you take to this, then you will see small file, easy share, medium file, better share. Then you just come and pick the large file, just compress. Then you go to next. Then you will compress the video and the video will start compressing. Let's wait a little bit to see the video. Okay, can you see how the video is compressing? It almost finished. Then the thing has done. Can you see how it changed our 60 megabyte from 60 megabyte to 8 megabyte? Then you now come to this replace to replace the video. You come to this replace to replace the video. Then okay. Then it has replaced with 8 megabyte. The 16 megabyte has gone. It has compressed the video from 16 megabyte to 8 megabyte. That's how you can compress your larger files or larger videos, and you want to reduce it. If you wanted to use it for video and you see that the files is too high or the megabyte is too high, you can just use your Video Panda to compress it. So that's that about that. Then the second one is how can you download your images, stock images for your video. To do that, you can use different type of sites to do that. Also, you can use different type of sites to do that. One of the sites you can use is on splash.com. The first one is on splash.com. The second one is fingerstock.com, the negativespace.com, pixabay.com, stocksnap.io, pixels.com. So I will be using two on splash.com. Then you go to the unsplash.com. Change it to desktop mode. Okay, you can search for different videos, different photo images. Let's just say soccer. Then click on search. Then you can just download it. Click on this. Then download. Then you can just go there and download the images. The images that's downloaded. Okay, the images are downloaded. So you can use download image from here also. You can use two methods. You can download it from the bottom, from the top, and you can download it from. Okay, another method that we'll be using, another site that we'll be using is Pixabay. You can use pixels.com, you can use Pixabay, and many other sites. Many other sites for you can use Unsplash, you can use Fringe, you can use Negative Space, Pixabay, Stock Snap, and many others to download your your stock images. So we will stop here and we'll continue in our next class. We will discuss